why I launched Tokenmetrics Ventures, but also show you our public portfolio is available for anybody to go out there and research. But this is why venture capital investing has the best returns, because you're getting in on the ground floor. Our portfolio is publicly available. Go to ventures.tokenmetrics.com/portfolio. But to show you some of our recent deals and the valuations we're getting in on, right? Airstack, we invested in their early round at 12 million FTV. Now the token hasn't launched yet, but we got in very early. Now they're doing incredible things. Even Sandeep, co-founder of Polygon, invested in their angel round after us. Gameswift, this one is actually trading. It's already done over 10x, but we got in early at 12.5 million FTV. My Pet Hooligan, this hasn't launched yet, but this was about 25 million FTV. Dolomite, very, very interesting project. It's basically building perpetual DEX. Coinbase invested in this as well. We got in 25 million FTV. Ola, very, very interesting project. ZKVM, this will, in my opinion, is likely to do well with the whole ZK narrative and this upcoming bull run. 40 million FTV. Foresight led the round. Ready Games Network, or Ready GG, very, very interesting gaming infrastructure project. We got in at about 46 million FTV. Gaming will do very well this coming cycle. Movement. This is basically an EVM on Move. Imagine being able to run Ethereum applications on Aptos or Sui. Very, very interesting ultra project. We got in 50 million FTV. It was pretty high, but very bullish on the Move and Aptos ecosystems and Sui. And Nillion. This one was very, very high. 80 million FTV. Reminds me of Chainlink back in the day. Arthur Hayes and his fund also invested, or family office. Very, very technical project. This is just a curation of a small handset of projects. These are the low valuations you can find projects in venture or angel investing. Because think about it. If crypto is going to 10 trillion, 14 trillion total market cap. Take Gameswift. I always tell people Gameswift, not financial advice, but this is an automatic 100x. 12.5 million. Target for this would be 1.25 billion FTV. That's 100x. It's already done a 10x on exchanges. And this is pre-halving. Post-halving, very, very interesting project. Polygon Studios also invested. To be honest with you, the money is made getting in early. And unfortunately, it's limited who has access to those projects, right? So not everybody can invest in a fund like ours or whatever. But if you're an angel, if you're your own VC, you can still find ways to do it, but it's very challenging. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokenmetrics. Get there using the link down below.